Understanding, I regret my words. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, I regret my words. This phrase is powerful and packed with emotion, and understanding it can help you navigate complex social interactions in English. So, let's dive right in and learn all about expressing regret over something you've said. When someone says, I regret my words, they are expressing a feeling of remorse or sorrow for something they have said. Regret is a deep feeling of sadness or disappointment over something that has happened, especially a loss or missed opportunity. In this case, the speaker wishes they could take back their words or that they had chosen their words more carefully. This phrase is often used in situations where the speaker's words have caused hurt or misunderstanding. There are many situations in which you might need to use the phrase, I regret my words. Here are a few examples. After realizing you've hurt someone's feelings, if you've said something that has offended or hurt another person, using this phrase shows that you acknowledge the pain you've caused and are sorry for it. In a moment of reflection, sometimes, after a heated argument or discussion, you might realize that your words were harsh or unfair. Saying, I regret my words, is a way to express your desire to make amends. During apologies, this phrase is often part of a sincere apology. It emphasizes that you understand the impact of your words and wish to correct the mistake. Using, I regret my words, appropriately requires understanding the context and ensuring your tone matches your message. Here are some tips. Be sincere. Your tone should convey genuine remorse. Insincerity can often be detected and might make the situation worse. Follow up with action. Expressing regret is the first step. Show that you mean what you say through your actions by making amends or changing your behavior. Use it in the right context. This phrase is powerful and should be used in situations where you genuinely feel remorse for your spoken words. If you're looking for different ways to express the same sentiment, consider these phrases. I wish I had chosen my words more carefully. I'm sorry for what I said. I didn't mean to hurt you with my words. Looking back, I realize my words were inappropriate. These alternatives can help you express regret in a way that suits the situation and your personal style. Understanding how to express regret, especially through phrases like, I regret my words, is crucial for effective communication in English. It shows maturity, empathy, and the willingness to take responsibility for your actions. We hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use this phrase and its alternatives. Remember, effective communication is key to building and maintaining healthy relationships. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.